Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create screen grabs of tweets or any HTML element on the page and save it as an image using Firefox's developer tools. So what I've done is come across to the Magpie channel's Twitter channel and screen grabbed a few tweets as a demo. So this is the header, and then I'll come across and show you a few tweets. So this is a tweet from a Man United fan with a squeaky voice who still hates Alan Shearer for moving to Newcastle instead of Man United a couple of years ago. And this is Alan Shearer's response. "Don't worry, mate. Once your balls drop, your voice might finally be normal." So then what I've done is come across and screen grabbed the league table to show you the position of all the teams, and we can see Newcastle are currently 9th at the moment. And the reason why I mentioned Newcastle is because that's my team. So what I'm going to do now is come across and show you how you can grab a tweet or a HTML element like a table on a web page and save it as an image. So what I'm going to do is come across to Firefox here, and the trick is what we're going to do is select a tweet. So first of all, we move the cursor over the tweet here and we can see the background turns a sort of light grey colour. And we'll right click and do inspect element. Now in the bottom here you'll see the actual HTML tags, and what we're looking for is the article tag. So as you move your mouse over these elements, you'll see that different parts of the page are selected, and what we're looking for is this article tag here. So once I've got that selected, all I do is right click on it and do screenshot node, and that's going to take a screenshot of this this tweet. So I'll just come across and do a few tweets. Let's do another one. Inspect element, and again you just need to move your cursor up till you find the article tag, select it and screenshot node. And I'll do the same thing on one of Trump's tweets here. So same thing, inspect element, scroll up till you find the article tag and screenshot node. And what I'll do now is show you how to select a table. For instance, in this case it's the league table, but it's actually an HTML table. So what we do is just right click on it, inspect element, and in this case what we're looking for is the table tag. So you can see up here the table. I'll just right click on that and do screenshot node. So what I'll do now is come across and show you the file manager. Let me just see if I can switch across. Okay, there we go. So this is these are the images that were saved. So you can see here, happy birthday to Shola Ameobi, the Mackham Slayer. The Mackhams are Sunderland, in case you're wondering, Newcastle's rivals. Open this here and we can see the tweet captured. Oh, don't know why we're getting those. That's weird. Those were some screenshots of DistroTube, so I don't know how those came up. But this is the league table that I captured. This is an HTML table, which is the table tag, and is also the league table. And again, basically, you can then use this. If I just switch back to here we go. Switch back to that. What it then allows you to do is, as I said, use the images in a web page or something like OBS Studio or your video recorder to display the tweet. So in this case, what I'm doing is I'm using OBS Studio with a single scene with multiple image sources that I can then just toggle through to show the tweets like that. And you can resize these, and of course you could open the images in an image editing program like GIMP or Photoshop to put a border around them, drop shadow, that sort of thing. There may even be drop shadow effect in OBS Studio, I'm not sure, but Firefox is the only browser I know that allows you to select an HTML element and create a screen grab from it. Of course, you could use a third-party browser plugin, but that's not necessary. You can just use the built-in tools in Firefox just by right-clicking on an element, selecting the element, and doing screenshot mode. So this is just a quick video on how to create a image from a tweet or any element on the page and save it as an image so that you can reuse it in a web page or a video or whatever you like.